hides questionable 737 MAX plane parts from FAA, which is the Federal Aviation Agency. Regulators' new whistleblower alleges. So the whistleblower alleges that they were hiding non-conforming parts from FAA regulators were falsifying records. However, smeared with lies or worthless physicians, all of you. Scripture, in the other version, talks about your forgers of lies, physicians of no value. Forger goes to falsifying, man. So they falsifying records relating to different things to make it have the appearance like everything is up and up, but it's not, man. But Luke and 12, Luke 12 and 2.
I'm sorry about it. Rich man.
Yeah, I don't have it. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. Sorry. For there is nothing covered that shall not be revealed, neither hid shall there not be known. So things are being revealed, things are recovered, hidden secret being made manifest and known. We got 8 and 17. Shalak on that interruption. For nothing secret that shall not be made manifest, neither anything hid that shall not be known come abroad. So anything secret, hid, covered is going to be made manifest, be made known. Lies that's been covered, that's been in secret or hidden in the dark, is being made, is being exposed to the light and being made manifest. Sirach 5 and 15. Parts, which means parts that don't match up to what it's supposed to be relating to pretty much metal pieces to the plane. That affects what? Safety and security. And that jeopardizes the safety and security of what? The customers, the patrons, the passengers, man. 5 and 15, man. Be not ignorant. Ignorant goes to do not ignore, related to anything in a great matter or small. So be not ignorant. Also, this is something short.